Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for real reviews, real insights, and real usefulness. Today we're diving into the best soap dispenser caddy on the market right now, the Cisily Black Sponge Holder for Kitchen Sink. If you're tired of messy countertops, scattered cleaning supplies, and constant dripping water, this one's for you. Let's get started with the first thing you'll notice, the design. It's compact, sleek, and modern, perfectly tailored for kitchens that are low on space but high on style. Measuring just over 9 inches wide and less than 4 inches deep, this caddy doesn't hog space. Yet, it packs an impressive punch when it comes to storage. It neatly holds your dish soap, sponge, stopper, and even up to 4 cleaning brushes, big or small. Everything has a dedicated spot, and it makes your kitchen instantly look more organized. It's designed to save time, reduce maintenance, and keep your countertop dry, effortlessly. Material-wise, Cisily didn't cut corners. It's made with high-quality 304 stainless steel, making it rust-proof and incredibly sturdy. Unlike flimsy plastic holders, this one holds up under pressure and moisture. The finish is spray-painted black, giving it a polished, clean look that fits into nearly any kitchen aesthetic, from industrial to farmhouse chic. One of the most useful elements of this caddy is its smart divider design. It isn't just one big basket. The caddy is divided into 3 functional storage sections, so your items don't crowd together. That thoughtful layout means your brushes stay upright, your soap stands stable, and your sponge dries faster. And here's something we love: there's absolutely no installation required. You take it out of the box, place it next to your sink or on your counter, and you're done. That makes it not just a great choice for your own kitchen but also a perfect gift idea. It's a well-thought-out kitchen solution. It addresses pain points like clutter, water pooling, and lack of storage space with finesse. It looks good, works even better, and earns its spot as a true kitchen essential. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on smarter product choices. See you next time.